I'm no speech giver. I'm just a regular guy who keeps a stretch of civilization open. But I really am honored to be named Citizen of the Year.
Mr. Coxman?
Yeah.
It's about your son.
He's dead.
Tell me what happened.
He got mixed up with some drug dealer by the name of Viking.
Who's Viking?
Viking's a whole different breed. Do you know what a bully is? I gave you Lord of the Flies.
All the answers are in that book.
I'm gonna kill these guys.
Really?
What makes you think you can kill a man?
I read it. A crime novel.
Three of Viking's dealers have disappeared.
Speedo, Limbo, Santa.
Deb. What is it with all these nicknames? Speedo, Viking.
It's a gangster thing.
Did you have a nickname?
Wingman.
Wingman.
Yeah, from Top Gun, as in you can be my wingman.
One guy can disappear. With three, someone wants me dead. My guess, it was White Bull.
White Bull is Viking's rival?
If White Bull wants a war, then I'll give it to him.
Oh, Jesus. We had a turf war right here in your town.
This doesn't happen in Kio.
Just did.
You have gone as far as you're gonna go.
This is my world now.
I don't think it is.
I will have blood for blood.
I thought you were a kidnapper.
Not all the time. When you drive the same road day after day, it's easy to think about the road not taken. But I picked a good road, and I stayed on it.
Nelsa Coxmana, Citizen of the Year. Good for him.
We need rooms tonight.
Oh, I'm sorry, you need a reservation.
Excuse me.
A
Do you have any idea what I can do to you on TripAdvisor?